Hello everyone, I am Muskan Gupta. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to build an Android app using Android Studio from scratch. First, we will create a new project. For this, I will click on Empty Activity. Let's name this application as Hello Android. You can choose any minimum SDK you want. For this video's purpose, I will use API 16 as it will run on 99.8% of devices. You can choose any language you want. I will choose Java here. Click on finish. It will take some time to build. So the required files are created. This is the Java code of our app. For this simple app, we will work on the XML. You can see the preview. It's simple hello world written here. Now to add an image in our app, we will add an image in the drawable folder. Make sure to choose this file, drawable. Now we will add our image view. Drag and drop the image view to the preview pane. We can adjust the image accordingly. For that, I will put width as match parent and height as match parent. Match parent simply means that it will adjust according to the attributes of the parent layout. You can also adjust it accordingly. I want this text view to be downwards. Let's change the text view settings. I would like to change it to hello world as to hello Android. Can also change other attributes from here. I will add another text view here. This is the design part, this is the split part, so that you can see your corresponding XML code and the preview here. So I would like to change it from here. I can change this text view to this is my first Android app. Now I would like to change the font size. So I would write Android text size. I could put it to 20 dp. Similarly, I can change text size of this text view also. Now I would like to make the text bolder. For this, I will use Android text style to bold. Similarly, you can run this app on a physical device on called as emulator. But as emulator might not work on many devices, I would like to demonstrate on how you can also run it on your Android phone also. You would need a USB wire for this. So different Android phones have different settings on how to open the developer mode. You can check on for your corresponding phone. So mine is the Redmi phone. I have already enabled the developer mode. So Android Studio has detected my phone. Now I will run it. So we will install the app now. We can see that the app is on our phone now. Hello Android. I hope and we run the app on our device. So I hope so this might be useful for you. Thanks for watching.